great questions are coming in, and Anne just asked me a question about library books, physical books. Do we really need them for our students? What do I think? Okay. Like a lot of my answers, whatever works for your family. But for my kids, at first, we didn't have many books. We were a lot online, and we just didn't have the ability to get to a library to have books. And again, with travel, we just didn't have books. Thankfully, all the curriculum we've been with for all these years have had an online book library. Okay, they had them because you needed to know your reading level, and they needed, excuse me, to do so many books per whatever. I'm not sure what the requirements are now with things for the public options. That's where we were with the public options. But with the online options, there is a link to an online library, and I cannot encourage enough that every family go to your local library, get a library card, and then you can do online library. You do have to get the physical card first. You have to prove your address because your tax dollars help this library be up, and they need to make sure you're a resident of that area. So go to the library. That's fun too. It's good for the kids to experience it, to get their card, to sign their card, and in their handwriting. My kids did it years ago, and it's hilarious. We look at them and we're like, this is so funny. They were like, you know, first grade, and they, you know, printed their name on there. You get a pin number 2. You have access to Hoopla. Hoopla is a digital library with ebooks, music, movies. Yes, totally awesome. And it's free through your library. So it's basically, you know, for those of us that are several decades older, you used to go to the library and go to the periodic, you know, place where you had magazines, you had the area,